Hey y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Come on in and see what's going on. Howdy folks. First, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and it's January 3rd now, and so I want to wish you all a very safe and a very prosperous new year. I thought I would take a few minutes and do basically a kind of a year in review of what we did here at the Messy Studio. I have now 357 subscribers. I started my YouTube channel late in 2017, November, with the Alan Stratton and Carl Jacobson Ornament Challenge, and kind of decided to get into it since I retired at the end of last year, or the end of 2017. So in 2018, I'd shot 72 videos in all, almost 9,000 views. I'm happy about that. Like I said, about 357 subscribers. I was actually hoping to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Didn't happen. But the channel is growing slowly. I'm guessing that my videos are too long, and I'm getting a little long-winded maybe. So I'm going to try to keep things shorter and more concise, and just leave in and I guess the most prominent parts of the video. I'm already doing a lot of time-lapse stuff to try to speed things up, but it's hard to crunch it's not so hard to crunch a 5-hour project down into 10 minutes, but it's difficult when I've got these 20, 40, 60 hour projects, like some of the signs and the mantle that I've been working on. It's hard to, and that guitar, oh my gosh, that was 80 hours. It's hard to crunch all of that down into a watchable video. So I try to make sure with my editing techniques that I give you something new about every 20 seconds, or a different view or something. Well, I mean, I'm trying. So I appreciate those of you that are sticking with me. I really do. I'm having a blast. I'm loving working in my new shop. And that's part of this review. Is I moved in the middle of the year, June and July. Was working in a small 2-car garage. It's classified as a 2-car garage. I doubt I could get 2 cars in it comfortably. But the new shop is 812 square feet with an additional 200 square foot of storage room in the back and 620 square feet of storage in the attic. So it's pretty cool. I'm, as they would say across the pond, I'm pretty chuffed about that. What that means is I like it a lot. I've still got to plumb my dust collector. I haven't done that yet. I've been too busy working on projects and honeydews. Oh my goodness. Every time I turn around, she's got something else she wants me to build for the house. It's all good. I enjoy it. And it keeps her happy. And if I need a new tool for whatever I'm working on, I usually get it. I'm having a lot of fun. I haven't got to do as much turning as I would hope, because people want me to do other things. I say people, paying customers. But that's all good too. One such project coming up in 2019 is going to be a canoe of sorts, about 10 inches long. It's going to be a little bit rustic. He just wants something that looks like a canoe. He said don't put a lot of detail in it. This is a guy I made the guitar for. He really loved the guitar, but he wasn't expecting that level of detail. He just wanted something that resembled a guitar. And I went way overboard. So I'm not going to do that with the canoe. It's going to be a pretty quick project, but it's going to look cool too. So, or at least if it comes out like what I've got pictured in my head, it's going to be pretty cool. But I plan to do a lot more turning this year, and a lot more turning videos. I got tons of wood I've got to do something with, and the problem is I've got so much it's hard to, okay, what do I want to tackle next kind of thing. I'm also going to get back into casting. I used to cast a lot, primarily when I was turning pins 10, 15 years ago. I was using Selmar 41 polyester resin and making hybrid blanks and pure resin blanks and things like that. I'm gonna step up a little bit. I bought a vacuum chamber. I'm gonna do some stabilizing. I'm gonna do some hybrid bowl blanks or other turning blanks. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. And I'm trying 2 new products this year so far. I bought some liquid diamonds. I'm excited to try that. I've got some Alumilite. I need to do something with that. I don't know which of the 2 I'm going to like better. I'll let you know when it happens. But this is supposed to be a 2018 review, not a 2019 preview. So, that said, I do a variety of things, and if you watch my intro video, you'll see that I do have a variety of I don't know, let's call them hobbies. I used to do a lot of leather work, a lot of tooling. I've still got all my tools, and I plan to do some of that in the future. The problem is leather isn't cheap, the finishes aren't cheap, and nobody wants to pay for the time that you put in something that's handcrafted like that. So I used to make a lot of holsters and things of that nature. Don't do that much anymore. Woodworking is quicker, and I get a better turnaround on my ROI, or better ROI, better return on investment. So I'm sure I'll have some more flat work coming up in the future, and you'll see some of that. So a lot of the flat work that I did last year are, well, for one, this sign right here, router carved signs. I really enjoy doing that. It's a lot of fun. I know my turning public doesn't care for it too much, and that's okay. I'm going to try to do, like I said, I'll try to do more turning. But I like the router carved sign thing. I'm going to do more of that for me, I think, than anybody else. There is a couple of signs I need to make for around the house, but especially for Amazon delivery people. They're consistently putting stuff in my backyard, behind the gate by the garage, instead of coming around to the front of the house. It's crazy. I ordered a new planer, and it was supposed to be here yesterday. FedEx says it is here. They delivered it at 11:44. I was home all morning, and my surveillance cameras verify that no such delivery took place. So right now I'm in a conversation with Amazon to get my new planer replaced. My replacement planer replaced. How about that? I'm going to do a lot more segmented bowls next year. Aside from the router carvings and the other flat work like the guitar and the mantle that I started in 2018, I'll finish in 2019. I did a few other projects for the house and flat work wise, and I'll put pieces of the clips or whatever in here along with that. I did a number of bowls. I did a few segmented pieces. I did more. I did a segmented piece in 2017, I think. I did a few in 2018. I want to do a lot more segmenting, and now that my shop is up and running a little bit better. I haven't done a new segmented piece since I moved into the new shop, so it's been since at least June since I've done a segmented bowl, and I'm really anxious to get back into doing segmented turnings. I love it. Okay, so that was a quick review of 2018. So I've still got a lot of organizing to do, but I'll get there. The year's young. So I appreciate you putting up with my rambling. and staying with me for this quick look at what we did in 2018 and a little bit of what I'm looking forward to doing in this new year. So thanks for watching. Y'all come back. I truly appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thanks. Come back and see us.